So today I brought you a new product, and that is the Xiaomi Mi Scale 2. It's pretty huge to hold it here, but if you can see, it's pretty nice looking, premium look, and for the cheapest price out there, about $12–15, and it's pretty good compared to any other brands. Why? Because first thing, it's a smart device. Now this thing can be paired to your phone, be it you must have a Mi Fit app. Pairing is very quick. Just start pairing with the scale, step on it, and that's it. It's already paired. Well, that fast. And you can also weigh about 16 people, but also all of these 16 people should have a separate Mi Fit account in order to the device to understand, yeah, these are separate people weighing. And there are other good features. Even the accuracy, what they state, it has a manganese sensor. I hope I pronounced that right. It can detect about 50 gram difference also. So if you have a meal, a light meal also, it can detect that. So it's a really good thing. Now, not only it weighs humans or babies also, it can also weigh objects. So if you're going to be traveling and want to know the weight of your luggage, just place on top of it. It will show you how much it weighs. Now, another feature is that this device, and that's the amazing feature, you can know your balance of your body. Now, by doing that is to step on the scale and with one toe, with your eyes closed as the app states, and just hold on there. The phone will calculate. It will show you a range that you're doing averagely or good or even better. So that way also you will know how you can balance your body. Final thing is, this device is made up of glass on top you're going to be standing on. Well, the frame is of plastic, and with the footing is also of plastic, and in between the foot and the plastic frame is definitely that manganese sensor or spring. Now this device runs on 3 AAA batteries. Nothing too much about it. Don't know how long will it last, but definitely nobody's going to be like checking it on every hourly basis. So I'm expecting, of course, a lot of counts. Well, that's it for the Xiaomi Mi Scale 2 device. What do you guys think about it, and how was the setup like? Do you like this new setup? Comment below. If you guys want to purchase this device, also the affiliate link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that smash like button and subscribe to this channel for more contents, more news, much tech stuff coming out in the future. See you guys in the next one.